Majestic farm with 6.4 hectares. The land has a restored 3-bedroom apartment with wardrobe and air conditioning, 1 bathroom with shower, 1 kitchen with fireplace, thermal and double glazing, aluminium windows. All windows have a mosquito net, first-class insulation with recessed ceiling lighting. The land has also 2 houses to recover, an annex on the ground floor with 1 living room in the garage for 2 cars. On the first floor of the annex, there is a large and bright space. There is 1 more annex with an old cellar, space for storage and storage for firewood. The land has about 1 hectare fenced with several spaces for animals, hen house, pigsty, cattle, grazing and others. There is a varied quality of fruit trees from orange, fig, lemon, peach, apple, pomegranate, almond, apricot and pear trees. Still in the field we can find a vineyard about 900 feet and an olive grove with 650 olive trees, enough to produce 2,000 liters of annual olive oil. The property has 3 wells and a borehole with plenty of water, 1 pond and 1 water mine. It is situated 10 minutes from Tomar, 10 minutes from Entroncamento and 15 minutes from Torres Novas. This farm can be a great investment for a rural tourism farm. Schedule your visit with Imo Templarios. Call now 00 351 910 025 004.